Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing Goan Prawns chops recipe. The ingredients are semolina, 1½ onion chopped, half tomato chopped, 16 prawns washed, cleaned, chopped, marinated with salt and turmeric powder, half green chili chopped, 1 egg, salt, water, oil, vinegar, coriander leaves chopped, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, butter, juice of half lime, 4 medium-sized potatoes boiled, peeled and mashed. In a bowl, add 4 medium-sized potatoes boiled, peeled and mashed. Add salt, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, little beaten egg, butter, juice of half lime. Mix. In a pan, add water. Once the water starts boiling, add the chopped prawns marinated with salt and turmeric powder. Add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Let it cook on low flame. Then remove the prawns. In the same pan, heat oil. Add 1½ onion chopped. Mix. Half tomato chopped, half green chili chopped, salt, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of chili paste. Mix. Saute it. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, little vinegar. Mix. Add the boiled prawns. Add chopped coriander leaves. Mix. The prawns filling is ready. Keep it aside. Add chopped coriander leaves to the mashed potato. Mix. Divide the potato mixture into 10 equal round portions. Flatten the portion in your palm. Add the prawns filling. And close it. Follow the same steps to make the rest of the prawns chops. Coat the chops with beaten egg. Then coat it with semolina. Heat oil in a pan and fry the chops. The delicious prawn chops are now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.